Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a starter. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including wrenches, a ratchet, and safety glasses. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical hazards. This is a crucial safety step. Then, you'll need to locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the engine block, often close to the transmission housing. Take a moment to identify its position and the surrounding components. Now let's remove the old starter. You'll see one or two main electrical connections on the starter solenoid. Carefully disconnect these. Make sure no wires are touching any metal surfaces. Next, identify and remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. These can sometimes be a bit tricky to reach. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the old starter free from its position, being mindful of any tight spaces. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully guide the new starter into the same position where the old one was removed. Ensure it sits flush against the engine block. Then, insert the mounting bolts and tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect all the electrical wires to the new starter's solenoid, ensuring each connection is snug and secure. Double-check that all terminals are properly attached. For our final steps, reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal. Make sure it's tight and secure. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Get into the vehicle and attempt to start the engine. Listen carefully for the starter engaging and the engine turning over smoothly. If everything sounds correct and the engine starts, you've successfully replaced your starter. If not, recheck all your connections and mounting bolts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.